What's going on, class? I'm your instructor, Professor Jizzle, and today I'm here to teach you how to print t-shirts with something as simple as your phone. Here at T-Shirt College, we cover heat transfer vinyl, Cricut, heat press, transfer paper, sublimation, designing, marketing, and everything in between. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be up to date on what's going on in class. Let's get today's lesson started. Today's lesson is how to put vinyl on your cutting mat and how to remove vinyl from your cutting mat. So this is the cutting mat. It's a clear protective sheet on top of it. You remove this. Take your sheet of vinyl, line it up. Once it's laid on there, nice and even, you're gonna rub out any bubbles in it, and it's gonna stick to the cutting mat. And once your design is sent to your vinyl cutter, you just go ahead and let your vinyl cutter cut it out. Once your vinyl cutter is done cutting, unload your cutting mat from your vinyl cutter. You'll peel it off. It's sticky, so it'll be kind of hard. Once you remove the sheet of vinyl from the cutting mat, make sure you cover your cutting mat back with the protective paper to keep your cutting mat sticky. Class dismissed.